Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simona, and if you are someone that knows me or if you've seen some of my other videos, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. I'm really excited today because I am going on a 2-week trip to the Northern Territory and traveling from Uluru up to Darwin. It's been something that I've been wanting to do for so long, and it's quite an adventurous trip, so my packing has been quite different. There's not so many cute outfits and more so things that I can get out and get dirty in. Anyways, if you'd like to see what I packed for this trip, keep watching and enjoy.
So I normally start with my basics, and I just started with my undergarments and bras and things. So I packed maybe like 7, and I've got these little sections or compartments that I've gotten from Kmart ages ago, and I think that they're the most useful little things because you can really section out all your packing, especially when you're packing light. And the next thing I packed was all my activewear. This trip has a lot of hikes and outdoor activities, so activewear was essential. Obviously, next I had my PJs, and these are my favorite linen PJs. I think they're from Cotton On. Green's like my favorite color. Got heaps of nude t-shirts and things, and I just thought we'd probably be getting dirty pretty quickly and easily on this trip, so having basics is just the way to go. Can mix and match that with anything really. I've also got a few linen shirts. I wear linen shirts all the time. It's so great to just like layer them on top of your activewear if you're not wanting to wear a jumper or something, or just like put them on with jeans, and it just looks super cute. So I had a few linen shirts that I packed. I follow Marie Kondo's packing style, or her folding style, so I find it really therapeutic to watch and also to pack that way. Just, I don't know, it's really nice. Next, I packed all of my bathers. I think I packed a few too many bathers because I could not choose what I wanted to take. And then I've got a few sundresses and things because it is going to be quite warm up in Darwin and further up north. And these are some of my favourite sundresses and just flowy dresses. So easy to put on and great for like our dinners and things like that. And it doesn't take up a lot of space or weight either. I also took a skirt because I thought I could match it with my tops and linen shirts and things. I've got a few oversized t-shirts because I literally live in oversized t-shirts. And I actually ended up using this with jeans and created some really cute outfits. So they were great. Obviously, I packed my jeans. I only have the one pair that I kind of use all the time, and they're great. And then got this one cute little crop top. I think I used it a couple times, and I could also layer it with like shorts and things like that as well. I definitely took a jumper because in Uluru it's said to be quite cold at night especially. Definitely took shoes, and I made sure I just took black ones because it is very easy to get dirty in the red sand, and obviously thongs for showers and things like that. Next, I packed my toiletries. So obviously I had my toothbrush and toothpaste, and I've taken a lot of hand creams because I wanted to use them and kind of finish them off. I've got my contacts and my glasses and things as well. They're definitely essentials, and I'm pretty blind, so definitely need them. I've got a hairbrush and a few hair ties. I didn't take many. And I've also got my little travel sized shampoo from Shampoo with a Purpose. And then I've got my skincare items, so just like moisturizer and some serums and things. My SPF definitely needed in the sun, perfume and my deodorant and lip balm and things. And I've definitely taken a few band-aids and my essential medication, so just like hay fever tablets and Panadol. I've got my pill, and then I just kind of start packing it all in. I actually travel quite lightly, so I really fit everything in. All of these items kind of just fit into this little bag here. And here's me trying to struggle and close this bag. I don't know why I choose such small bags when I definitely could choose bigger ones. And then I've got another little bag for some of my bigger items. So I've got my hairbrush in there, my contact liquid, my deodorant, contacts, and I think I've taken a couple spare contacts as well, just in case. Toothbrush and toothpaste, obviously. And I've also put all my meds and things in there. Now, these are just like emergency things really, because I'm quite prone to migraines. And those two are pretty much done. Now we'll probably move on to the electronics. So I don't take heaps, and I definitely haven't taken heaps for this particular trip. But obviously with every piece of electronics you've got cables as well. So I've got my GoPro charger. I didn't end up using my GoPro all that much on the trip, but I've got my film camera as well, and I have taken a few film camera photos. I just haven't got them developed yet. And I kind of just fit that all into this little bag. I just make sure all my cords are not tangled, and I wrap them up on itself to make sure they don't get tangled. And now we start just fitting it all in. So we were actually allocated about 20 kilograms of check-in luggage, but I didn't end up really needing it. I usually travel pretty lightly and usually only travel with carry-on, so I'm quite used to packing and traveling lightly. I ended up actually taking a smaller bag in the end. It was just a carry-on suitcase in the end. So I packed into this and then I repacked in the end, but I don't think I recorded that. I pretty much fit everything in just like Marie Kondo style as well. So I have it all lined up, and so you can see everything really easily, and I stack it on top of each other. I try to do it in the most methodical approach so that like I am putting the things that I'll need straight away right at the top, like my undergarments and my PJs and things, but it doesn't always work out that way because it's always packing it right to the T and fitting everything in really. We move on to my backpack, and I have all of my essentials in my backpack really. I definitely take some socks because I get really cold on flights. I've got a tiny towel that I got from Kathmandu years ago, and I pretty much use it on every single trip. I've got a few books and my journal. I've got a cap because obviously it's quite sunny in Darwin. Obviously just my essentials like my wallet and things like that go in as well. I'm quite prone to hay fever, so hay fever tablets and lip balm and things like that. My electronics go in with my backpack, and I've got a little water bottle and all. I just kind of fit all of that in. This backpack is really useful because I take it on all my hikes and outdoor activities, so it's really great to take it with me as well. I've also got my dry bag, which I got in the Philippines years ago, but I take it with me everywhere again because I find them really useful, especially when you've got water activities. And I just packed the clothes that I'll be wearing on the flight. I definitely pack warm clothes because I get very cold on the flights, and just folded it up Marie Kondo style again and just leave it on the side ready to go so I don't have to stress about what to wear on the flight on the day of. So that's all done. I take my Kathmandu jacket on the flight with me, big bag and my backpack, and we are all done.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got a little bit out of that. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you'd like to see some of my trip real time, I'll probably be posting a lot of posts and stories and stuff on my Instagram, so definitely follow me over there. But apart from that, if you enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you could like, comment and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Yay!